Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an exciting showdown between two top-notch dash cams.
On the left, we have the RedTiger dash cam, and on the right, we have the Rove R2-4K Pro dash cam. Get ready for some epic comparisons, controversy, and of course, lots of laughs.
Let's dive right in. Alright, let's talk about the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality.
The RedTiger dash cam boasts an impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording, capturing every detail on the road.
It's like having your own personal movie production crew in your car. Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cams. The RedTiger dash cam features superior night vision with its f1.5 aperture and 6-layer lens.
It's like having night vision goggles for your car. Now let's talk about convenience. The RedTiger dash cam offers Wi-Fi and smart app control. Simply connect it to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, and you can view, playback, and manage your dash cam right from your pocket.
Now let's navigate our way to the next comparison, GPS functionality. The RedTiger dash cam comes with built-in GPS, recording your driving route, real-time speed, and location. You can even track it on Google Maps using the app or their GPS player.
Alright, buckle up because we're diving into the final comparison, the additional features. The RedTiger dash cam offers reliable features for accident recording like loop recording and a G-sensor that locks and saves collision videos.
It even has a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse function.
The RedTiger dash cam has received positive reviews for its reliability, performance, and outstanding customer service. Reviewers praise its advanced technology, exceptional video quality, user-friendly interface, and intelligent parking mode. And that's a wrap, folks.
We've compared the RedTiger dash cam and the Rove R2-4K Pro dash cam in various categories, from video quality to additional features.
Both dash cams have their own strengths, so it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and budget.
Remember, always do your research and make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more epic comparisons.
Let us know in the comments which dash cam you would choose and why.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.